Hi everybody, Kelly here, getting ready for tonight's virtual workshop about collaborative writing. Getting all the details in place, fine-tuning the videos. We have a couple video samples of lessons from the classroom at different proficiency levels with beginning literacy. We have some ideas for our intermediate students and how to continue to build their skills and expand their literacy background, and how to do this in an environment that really fosters oral language and interaction and discourse so that we can get the biggest bang for our buck and make the most of our time. I hope you will join us. It is tonight live, 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you can't make it tonight, go ahead and sign up anyway, because we will make the video recording available to registered participants. And this is not like our webinars, because this is a paid event. Only those who are registered will get access to this video. So I hope to see you there.